Learn soft and sharp edges. Render shading with finger. Simplify shapes. Learn different styles of shading. Use eraser to create light. Use paper towel to create midtones. Use folded paper to create straight eraser line. Practice long, smooth lines. Draw shadows and light to create a form. Understand simple values. Learn simple composition. Practice cartoon drawing. Add blur to edges to indicate motion. Draw your body to learn basic anatomy. If something hard, draw a suggestion of it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.